Hey Lisa, how's your day going?
Hi, John. It's been pretty good, thanks. Just got back from the grocery store. How about you?
Not bad. I just finished my morning workout. What did you buy at the store?
Mostly the usual stuff. Fruits, vegetables, some chicken for dinner. I also got some snacks for the weekend. Do you have any plans?
Sounds good. I'm planning to go hiking on Saturday. There's a new trail I want to try. Have you ever been hiking?
I have, but not in a while. It sounds fun, though. Where is this new trail?
It's about an hour's drive from here, near the mountains. The scenery is supposed to be amazing. Maybe you could join us sometime?
That sounds tempting. I'll think about it. By the way, do you have any good recipes for chicken? I want to try something new.
Sure. I have a great recipe for lemon garlic chicken. It's pretty easy to make and really tasty.
That sounds delicious. Could you send me the recipe?
Of course, I'll text it to you. Do you have all the ingredients?
I think so. I bought some lemons and garlic today. What else do I need?
Just some olive oil, salt, pepper, and fresh parsley if you have it.
Perfect. I have all of that. Thanks, John. I can't wait to try it.
You're welcome, Lisa. Let me know how it turns out.
Will do. Thanks again. Enjoy your hike on Saturday.
Thanks, Lisa. Have a great rest of your day.
You too, John. Bye.
Bye.